Hi everybody, this video is about a Mercedes 2008 C300. We have a faulty steering lock. Most of the time it tells you take your key from ignition. So you insert the key, turn it, and it won't start. The car is dead. It's only the instrument cluster displaying take your key from ignition. Well, what happened, the steering lock, the ESL, goes bad on this kind of cars, and I want to show how to do a bypass on the ESL. So what we need to do, we need to connect the bypass. Let's see. Right here to the ESL connector. This is the old ESL which is still installed, and I'm gonna remove it in a couple minutes. Okay, so alright, we got everything connected, and then let's see if it starts. Sometimes I have to try a couple times to get it to program. Okay, hold it close. Car starts fine. Alright, if somebody needs a bypass, just give us a call at 214-207-2619. Thanks.